Uh, I think probably one of my most difficult post-match interview in my coaching career. Come out with a 6-0 humiliation. We tried last minute to assemble a team. Very difficult on the technical side. We haven't trained the whole week. We labored to get even the original FIFA rule where you're allowed to assemble 7 players and play. We tried to just try and come and fulfill the fixture, but I think it has backfired on our side and not good for our reputation. We gave away because bodies were there, but I think the body language could even show. We just gave away because we could have. I think Dynamos, if they were really serious, I think they could have scored even 15. But to coach a team and you concede 6, whether they were training or not, you begin to ask yourself so many questions. And I don't want to say something because of the game. I think let me calm down and then probably digest myself and make a decision after.